How to change keyboard height on Grammarly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change keyboard height on Grammarly easy and fast. So all what you have to do is just go to Grammarly app. Now this is the home page, as you can see. All what you have to do is choose the first option. It's keyboard customization. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is just go down until you find keyboard height option right here. Now click on it and choose if you want it short or tall or just normal as it was. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.